Gulfood Manufacturing, we have the pleasure of meeting Christian Romualdi, Marketing and Communication Manager, IMA Ilapac. What's the strategic significance of IMA participation at Gulfood Manufacturing?
Ciao Chiara, for the IMA Group, this is a key exhibition, especially for the food companies of IMA, because we have here, during Gulfood Manufacturing, all the main excellence of IMA. So we have the Dairy and Health division with the expert that can help all the customer, seeking for a solution like that. The Coffee Hub, we have the IMA Flex Hub. IMA Flex Hub is covering from bakery, produce, meat and poultry, and several industry like biscuits, pizza and tortillas. So all the food areas for flexible packaging involving IMA Ilapac, IMA Record, and IMA Aerosigma. We have also IMA Gima for confectionery solutions, and we have also the dairy and food companies showing also a couple of machines, and then we will see what we're exposing by IMA Erca and IMA Benil. So our butter and margarine solution, or also a savory and bouillon cubes solution for packaging, processing, and filling in some cases. And we have also IMA Gasti and IMA Fichet for the dough packs. Of course, all of these companies can provide, in some cases, processing solutions, filling solution, or packaging solution, both primary and secondary packaging, because we have here also the end-of-line hub, so the specialist for the secondary packaging.
Let's meet Olivier Chevretot to speak about the EFSX by IMA Erca. It's a newly developed cup filler designed for a wide range of applications, from liquid to pastry products. What are its key features?
Well, at start we were considering to develop a newly medium-sized filler that fit in the range of let's say ultra clean application up to ultra clean application. The main advantage is that this is no longer a rotary, but a full access linear machine with a small size capacity. The quick changeover in 20 minutes allows to have a high flexibility with the right efficiency. It can be equipped with 2 dozen units. It's available from clean to ultra clean. Actually, this machine is the perfect link between the rotary that doesn't suit for each and every application, and the linear that are much bigger, require a lot of more floor space. It's a compact solution with a high flexibility.
Let's meet Tobias Lemmitz to speak about the new Fold Wrap 1800 from IMA Benil, a fully automatic molding, wrapping and sealing machine. What are the main benefits for food industries?
Yeah, talking about the main advantage of for the food industry, we can name that we have a tamper-evident closed package of butter. We could reduce the package material by about 45 to 47% because it's quite thin. It's an OPP foil monolayer material compared to the double layer materials, eliminated foil, and we know before. We could extend, our customers are planning to extend the shelf life by having it hermetic sealed, tamper evident. We have the fresh taste when you open up the package. And we can put it in the shelf for about, the idea is to increase it to 6 months instead of comparable 3 months before. So these are the main difference and advantages of our packaging machine. For the fold wrap, we can go up from 100 to 400 gram consumer portions, and up to 130 packages per minute for the speed or the capacity of our machine.
Well, Christian, I wish you a great exhibition.
Thank you. And if you want to learn more about our solution, you can visit ima.it, where you can see all our range of processing, filling and packaging solutions for the food industry.